What's up, Lowrider family? Welcome back to Lowrider Nation Network. Today we're checking out some of the cleanest rides, incredible builds, and the amazing people keeping lowrider culture alive. But enough from me. Lamont has been out here talking with today's builders and owners. There he goes right there.
Catnip, Lowrider Nations out here on the Shaw, looking at all the lowriders, looking at all the cars, doing what they do. Yeah, on a Sunday.
Oh, let me open the trunk.
All right, everybody, this is Catnip from Lowrider Nation TV, and I'm checking out this beautiful car with my man
Tony from San Diego. This is my 79 Lincoln Mark V. Her name is Sancha. You know Sancha, that's my side chick. Just recently had it painted about a year ago. It's like a light beige with some it's got some gold pearl in it, some very subtle ivory colored pinstriping. Rafa from Old School Car Club painted it for me. I had Serge over there in East LA do the chromes for me. I'm on True Rays 70 style rim. I got those from True Spoke out of Fallbrook. And I got a custom grill. I got a custom, you see the bumper, no bumper bolts. All these, this is aluminum, but I had them chrome. This is the original frame, but I had these bars made. It's the same shape as the original grill. So my bumper would only be here. You had it widened. And I had it capped right here. You see the cap? You can see the grill right there.
Yes, sir. Tony, let's see your interior if you don't mind. Man, that's beautiful.
It's a biscuit style interior. Got the sunroof. Got the original 8-track in there and a box full of 8 tracks on the floor.
All right.
Got the vibrasonic sound.
Tony, let me ask you a question,
What's
Tony.
up?
Because I was a lowrider to myself, man, but I started back in '67 when we was going down the Palais on Alameda getting lowrider parts. So in your opinion, when did the hydraulics get in the cars?
You know what? I hear different stories, but I think in the 50s, a few guys up in LA were doing it, from what I understand.
All right.
I've been lowriding since about 79 myself.
Fantastic. All right, Tony, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you taking time to chat with Lowrider Nation. Hey, man, we're going to keep this culture going and doing what it do.
That's right.
All right. Thank you, bro.
Right on, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Been done since 2013, 2014. We got door jams done, engraving done, so material.
All right. How long did it take you to build your car, man?
It was about a good 4 or 5 years. Full undercarriage, engraving, good partial wrap frame.
So let me ask you a question.
Yes,
if anybody else wanted to get into the lowrider game right now, the culture, what would you tell them to do?
Take your time, man. Do it right the first time. Don't try to do it half-assed the first time and try to come out. Take your time. Do it right. Come out right.
All right. Yes, appreciate you, bruh.
Yes,
Lowrider Nation TV. All right. Represent. Yeah, look at these cylinders and look how they doing it now. We didn't do it like this back in the early days of lowride. We didn't have it like this, man. But look at this beautiful car right here. And tell everybody you saw it right here on Lowrider Nation. Big baby.
Candy paint shining under city lights. Whole squad outside and the vibe feel right. Chrome so clean, got the whole block froze. Underglow dancing while the bassline rolls. Rims keep spinning while the cameras flash. Hydraulics hitting while we glide right past. Every color dripping like a midnight dream. Wet flow reflecting every laser beam. Slow cruise, lights low, yeah. Shine bright, real slow. From the boulevard to the late night scene. Every ride outside look magazine clean. Lowrider Nation. nation, show it to the world now. Lift it up, let it bounce now. Chrome hit hard when the street lights glow. Lowrider Nation Network.
Door code. Holding on to that door code came up.
Lowrider Nation, shine for the whole crowd. Candy paint dripping, lights on the ground. From the front to the back, let the whole world know. Lowrider Nation Network. Ride real slow.
Uh-oh. We fit the hop right about now when we get back. Because Lowrider Nation don't want to get hurt in the middle of this hopping contest. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seeing it right here. Catnip, Lowrider Nation on the scene. Up close and personal. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah. Plus he's trying to keep the coffee rolling. Bam, crack. Boy, I heard something crack. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's Junior from the Majestic still doing his thing. Nice, beautiful 62. Beautiful 62.
Chrome shining, lights glowing. Lowrider Nation, tonight we ride. Candy paint shining under city lights. Whole squad outside and the vibe feel right. Chrome so clean, got the whole block froze. Underglow dancing while the bassline rolls. Rims keep spinning while the cameras flash. Hydraulics hitting while we glide right past. Every color dripping like a midnight dream. Wet flow reflecting every laser beam. Slow cruise, lights low, yeah. Shine bright, real slow. From the boulevard to the late night scene. Every ride outside look magazine clean. Lowrider Nation, show it to the world now. Lift it up, let it bounce now. Chrome hit hard when the street lights glow. Lowrider Nation Network. Everywhere we roll. Lowrider Nation, shine for the whole crowd. Candy paint dripping, lights on the ground. From the front to the back, let the whole world know. Lowrider Nation Network. Ride real slow. Blue lights, pink lights, blowing on the ground. Every custom ride, turning heads around. Some candy red, some gold, some glitter in the paint. Every whip unique, every line looking clean. Phones in the air while the crowd lock in it. Everybody watching while the wheels keep spinning. Bass in the trunk make the pavement shake. Whole city lit, every move we make. Chrome dreams, neon beams, city lights in the paint gleam. Hydraulics dancing on the boulevard lane. Midnight shine like summer rain. Lowrider Nation, all eyes on us. Lowrider Nation, show it to the world now. Lift it up, let it bounce now. Chrome hit hard when the street lights glow. Lowrider Nation Network. Everywhere we roll. Lowrider Nation, shine for the whole crowd. Candy paint dripping, lights real slow. Lowrider Nation, Lowrider Nation Network. Chrome shining, city lights all night. Rock, slide, shine. Blow, 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 blow.
Just cruising through the parking lot, looking at all the cars, just repping the culture. You know what I'm saying? So check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Anybody, anything, boy, you see some beautiful cars out here. So if you haven't seen the channel, be sure to turn into Lowrider Nation TV. Check this out right here. I think that's El Camino. I think it's beautiful, it's white. Yeah, oh shoot. Look at this Cadillac right here, right here, right here. Beautiful, beautiful paint. Whew, this is awesome. Look at this color right here. I think this is a 60 or 61. You know, Los Angeles, beautiful color. Beautiful color. Look at this engine on this puppy. That's right. We should have this one on featured on Lowrider Nation. Chrome cylinders in the work, beautiful engine work. Look at that paint job, y'all. Look at that paint job. Is that a beautiful paint job? I don't even know what they even call this. I think this blue right here has got to be a 58. This has got to be a 58, the blue metal flake like we used to do back in the day. Oh, and it's got the brains blown out of it too, sunroof and everything. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Candy paint shining under city lights. Whole squad outside and the vibe feel right. Chrome so clean, got the whole block froze. On the glow dancing while the bassline rolls. Rims keep spinning while the cameras flash. Hydraulics hitting while we glide right past. Every color dripping like a midnight dream. Wet flow reflecting every laser beam. Slow cruise, lights low, yeah. Shine bright, real slow. From the boulevard to the late night scene. Every ride outside look magazine clean. Lowrider Nation, show it to the world now. Lift it up, let it ride.